Okay, today I want to teach you some Zomi language. My name is Mr. Tanglek and my country is Zogam. It is one of the states in Burma and my language is Zomi and I speak Zomi language. And if you want to contact me, you can email me at mitkeozomi2010 @gmail.com. Okay, let's learn some simple Zomi language. Okay, E is English and Z is Zomi. Okay, number 1. How are you? In Zomi language is Dammo. How are you is Dammo. And if you want to say I am fine, you can say Dam. Okay? And where do you come from? Where do you come from? If you want to say in Zomi, Nang ko'y panong pai. Nang ko'y panong pai. Okay? The next one is I come from Zogam. Okay, Kay Zogam panhong pai. I come from Zogam. Kay Zogam panhong pai. Okay, it's very simple and I think you will learn it very quickly because it is very easy. Thank you so much. This is from Mitkeozomi. Thank you.